we have a low mile C5 Corvette, just in it unique specialty and classics. This particular one, 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Millennium yellow, as you can see, the ebony interior. This particular car, a little over 7,000 miles is all. Still riding on the original Goodyear tires. This particular car spent its entire life in North Dakota before coming to us. Not driven in any sort of inclement weather. Adult owned and driven. Clean Carfax, confirms miles, confirms no accidents indicated. And take a look at this nose cone. Lots of times you see these, they start to get rock chipped. A few little nicks, a few little dings. This particular one, judge for yourself, take a look at it. Extremely nice shape. Same way going up the hood, where you'll also start to see them maybe pick up a rock chip here or there. This one looks pretty chip free. Now, still pictures. So you want to see the underside of this car, interior, check out the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. These low-mile vets have been moving pretty steadily out of our indoor showroom here. Riding on the polished wheels. This particular car does have power seats, both sides, dual climate control, Bose stereo system, heads-up display. Of course, your power windows, power locks, tilt and cruise, driver's information center, and all the amenities that you're going to get on a nicely equipped Corvette. As you can see there, automatic transmission paired up with the 5.7 liter LS1. That'd be a 350 horsepower engine with 360 pound-feet of torque. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Everything that I can see on this, from the exhaust to the engine, tranny, all appears to be stock. It's your quad center dump exhaust. This car would have came from Chevrolet. And once again, you want to check out those underside pics, interior pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. That's where you're going to see those at. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. See up and down the sides of it too. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Millennium yellow paint. Showing very well. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the interior of this. I'm going to start it up, check out the engine bay. Alright, so of course all the amenities on the door here. One thing that has been added, very nice, scuff plate for going in and out. There's a clear cover. It covers up that sill. It's like a aftermarket floor mat matching with the yellow has been installed. Take a look at these seats. I'm going to pull this key real quick. Look at these seats. You can see hardly anywhere to them at all. Check out this bolster. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. Alright, let's go ahead and fire this up. Show you the exact miles. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. There's your miles, a little over 7,000, 7,011. Of course, heads-up display over here. Driver's information controls here. AM, FM, CD, Bose system, electronic climate control, dual for that matter, passenger controls. Of course, on this side, I did say it's a dual power seat car, dash and everything. Also nice shape. You can tell this car is stored inside, not sat out in the sun, sun faded or anything like that. Alright. Passenger seat, just as nice a shape as that driver's seat. Smoked top. And they do have a rear cargo mat with the yellow trim. Looks nice in there. Also comes with a license plate bracket or holder that will slide underneath the front bumper, and there's also the surround if you wanted to put it in the bumper. But you got a couple options there if you're in a state that would need the front license plate. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood just so you know how clean this engine bay is and stock looking, so hold on one second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go. Hood popped. As you can see, underneath the hood, hood liner, extremely clean. Like I said, this thing has not been driven any sort of inclement weather. Very clean engine bay. There's that LS1 5.7 liter, getting 350 horse, and just what you'd expect underneath there. FYI, headlights do flip up, do work. This car went through our shop. Technicians will look them over when their cars come in. This one passed with flying colors. Of course, what we'd expect, a little over 7,000 miles, right? So there you go. 2001 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, well taken care of car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.